Gotta hold on tight.
Black Eyed Peas.
See what the first package is.
Alright guys, now this right here is our little microphone. Now this microphone came in a nice little package from Miracle Sound. It is really good. I'll definitely say that. Now remember, none of these items are sponsored. All of items on the video, I'll purchase all of them. The headphone comes in with a nice little clip, so you can clip it on your shirt. Nice little pack, so you can take that on the go with you. Nothing fancy, just something simple, you know. And it is really good though. I'll definitely recommend that. Put the link in the description.
Right.
Alright guys, now I purchased all my stuff. I really purchased on Amazon. I bought this backpack because the one I had before was too small to actually fit for my laptop to fit in there, because my laptop is a 15.6 inches long. Alright guys, now our next item is the laptop cooler. Now the reason I purchased that on Amazon was because I'll be using my laptop as my main computer. As of right now, I don't have a desktop, and I'm actually looking forward to building one. And I know the process is long and it's a little bit more expensive, but I'm working on that.
I'm doing your voiceover.
Oh.
So I'm doing your voiceover. Alright, this box open. Lift up the lid. And take it out of the box. Close the box, put it to the side. And take it out of the plastic. Examine it. Did you get that for your regular laptop?
You can stop. She didn't come with a, oh, I'm about to say that.
Alright, now our next package is, oh guys, I've been waiting on this for a while. This is our headphone stand. That is really nice. It is on the heavy side. I'll tell you that much. It is really on the heavy side. Now most headphone stand, you expect something a little light, you know, you just put on the side, but this one's on a little heavy side. I'll be moving that to my bookshelf because I'll need more room on my desk. guys, now this right here is headphone stand from Heads Up. Now I really purchased that because of the way it looked, and of course the color, because well, obviously my favorite color is red. Now the whole theme of my office is red, white, dark gray, and black, and the headphone stand just icing on the cake. I purchased that on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below, just in case you guys wanna purchase one yourself. Alright guys, now this mouse was purchased on Amazon. It wasn't as expensive as it looks, but I think this was around under $30. But most mouses on there are a little bit more, like $30, $40, but this one was really affordable. This one's it has a nice feel to it. It's soft on the top. You have a good grip to the hand. It fits perfectly. It is really nice. I have the buttons on the bottom to where you can have the lights on or you can have them off. In my case, I didn't connect it to the computer yet, so therefore the lights are not really on. It has the click on there. It's very quiet. It feels like you're not really clicking anything. Now as far as the back buttons and stuff like that, it is really nice.
For the big one.
Alright guys, as of right now I'm using my pair of scissors, but I do have an unboxing knife that's coming in. Now this 27-inch curve scepter, I think that's how you pronounce it, scepter. I had a little trouble opening the box because like they literally stuffed that in there, like not even an inch to breathe. Anyways, on the little side we have our power adapter. Yep, a little power adapter. Now on the other side we have our HDMI cord, the screws, the little manual, and all the extra stuff. Like I said guys, I had a little trouble on that, so I had to skip it to the end to where I finally got it out of the box. Alright, here we go. Still struggling. Still struggling. It's freaking people, man. They literally stuffed that in there. But anyways, finally got it out. Now we're gonna toss that box to the side. Alright, now I purchased that I think for over $100 or under $160. Now, yeah, under $160. This right here is the stand, the little oval rim they have. With the piece that was there before ended up being screwed to it, to the back of the monitor, and it sits perfectly. And now for the baby, one of the babies actually. It is, remember guys, it is curve, and now the way I have this set up in my office, I bought two. It is really nice. It is, I would definitely recommend that. Now I won't be doing editing on this on the monitor. I'll just be doing my music. I'm also I'm a music producer, so I'll be doing my work on there, and also, you know, watching videos and browse the internet. Good daily use of monitors, really, nothing too fancy. I did have a Mac. I returned the Mac to purchase those two monitors